Welcome to Rosemont RV Show. This is my 2016 log cabin. You love it, all right. Let's take it. It's basically 12 by 33.
Okay.
Or you go up to it every weekend, or
put it at your lake property.
yeah,
Place like Woodhaven Lakes, Wood Smoke Ranch, Yogi Bears. What's it like up there? Pretty fun?
His height. If it grows anymore, we're gonna have troubles. Eric, come on down.
I want to buy these for hats.
Okay.
We can go up to it every summer. It could be our summer.
And a lot of people.
There's a full bath.
Yeah, that's what she does.
No, that's just a standard refrigerator, right?
Yep, nice 18.5 cubic foot fridge. Great big bathroom.
Good deal.
I want us to see all.
Nice couple closets. Storage. Hello.
Hello.
Nice big bathroom. Lights in all the closets. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides.
Must be 65 grand coming here today.
There you go. This is our loft. Hello. Dishwasher. I think I'll turn on a movie. Turn on the fireplace.
Oh, nice.
2016 Forest River Log Cabin. Shows are brutal. Kids go in the cabinets and hide. Can't stay out of the loft. Parents let them run and jump on the beds. It's all fun.